19 madam.
19. Okay. Your name, madam?
Sureka. In which festivals celebrate in your house? Please tell me.
Makara Sankranti.
Makara Sankranti. Dasara. And you tell me please. And you? Renuka madam? Deepavali. Oh, very nice. And in which festival celebrate in your school?
Independence
Day. And
Republic Day.
Teachers Day. School. And Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes. Karnataka, Rajasthan.
Karnataka.
Many more days of this day.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Reading.
But listening but speaking I think. Reading concept is reading is you can make some cheats. All festivals. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಯು ಟ್ರೈಡ್